settings here and a timer. So it automatically turns off when it's done. And it came with this little handy manual.
Daddy, open it.
Sorry, Kevin's looking up what to do. Okay, so now we've already put 3 pieces in. Basically, this was pre-wrapped chicken, but you could do any kind of chicken and put it in. This has marinade, but you could obviously do plain. And then, Kev, what do we do next? Just put the draw in? Just put the draw in. If it's plain, you might add some oil, depending what you want, you know, according to the little guidebook. And then what do you do, Kev?
Plug it in.
Kevin didn't plug it in because of safety hazard with the baby. Okay, now go ahead.
Temperature.
He's checking the manual. Okay, he has found the setting of 350.
Turn the timer.
Turn the timer for however long. And what are we gonna do, 10 minutes?
13.
We're gonna do, because there's 4 pieces, we're gonna do 15 minutes. We'll check back later.